So you're trying to step up your filmmaking game, and you're tired of tripping on HDMI cables, and your client's breathing down your neck to look at the monitor, and you think it's time for a wireless video system. But all the good ones are not too kind for the wallet, and all the cheap ones are way too unreliable. I think this may be a good compromise. Today we are going to be talking about the Hollyland Mars 300. Now Hollyland sent this out to me to try out and give feedback, which was perfect timing as I was in the process of shooting a short film. In the box it comes with two units, the transmitter and the receiver. Both can be powered by either DC or Sony NPF batteries. The transmitter has an HDMI in and an HDMI loop out, so you can send video signal to two inputs, one wirelessly to the receiver and one wired to another monitor. As for the receiver, you have two HDMI out ports, so you can run the signal to two monitors. You'll also get two sets of antennas and one extra, a 1/4-inch cold shoe mount and a mounting adapter, and a USB adapter for firmware updates. We use this as a director's monitor and rigged it up with a magic arm along with the Field World 7-inch monitor. This allowed for the director to be more free to move within the set and allow them to give more attention to the talent, and not having another person over my shoulder allowed me to move more freely within the space as well. Now we did have a first AC on set, but unfortunately we were not able to pull focus live due to a slight delay, as you can see on the monitor right here. Now the delay itself is only by a few frames, but those few frames really do count when you need to full focus. So if you want the ability for the first AC to be able to full focus, then the Mars 300 is not it. I tried, it did kind of work, but it's not the result that is consistent and reliable enough because the delay is slightly, just ever so slightly, a bit too much. Now the high-end wireless video transmitters are priced nowhere near the Mars 300. The Mars 300 comes in at $500, which is not bad considering what it can do, but there's a lot of possibility with this unit. If you just want the ability to monitor the shot without pulling focus, then this is great. And also in small events such as a seminar where you need to show the people in the back row what is happening in the front, that could be great also. If you want to check it out, then I'll leave the link in the description. I'll continue to get great use out of this and hopefully upgrade to the Cosmos series in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Sawasdee krap.